Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the AI for a Better World virtual MIT AI conference. Welcome today, day 2, where we're focusing on virtual work. And I'd like to introduce Teddy Lee, the head of the conference, our conference chair. Hey, Teddy, welcome and good morning.
Good morning. Thanks, Fatty. Good morning, everyone. As Fatty mentioned, welcome to day 2 of the 2020 MIT AI conference. The theme today is the future of work. I hope everyone had a good time yesterday and that you're excited for the exciting lineup of speakers and networking opportunities that we have lined up for you today. I'll start by giving a quick rundown of our agenda. We'll start things at 8 a.m. with Professor D. Fox Harrell, who explores the relationship between imagination and computation with his talk, Virtuality and Social Impact. After that, at 8:30, we'll have Anand Babu, who leads the Kernel Research Org at Google and is also the founder of Sidewalk Labs, who's going to talk about America's crises and Silicon Valley's third era of institutional innovation. At 9 a.m., we'll have Ian Stoica, who is the executive chairman and co-founder of AnyScale and Databricks, as well as a professor at the WECS department at UC Berkeley. He's going to tell us about how the future of computing is distributed. At 9:30, we'll have Lingjia Tang, who's the CTO and co-founder of Clink, as well as a professor of computer science at the University of Michigan. He's going to talk about how conversational AI in a post-COVID world will bring a human touch to automation in business. At 10, we'll be joined by Danny Lang, a return guest for our conference, who is the VP of AI and Machine Learning at Unity Technologies and a former lead in machine learning at Uber. He's going to talk to us about the road to artificial intelligence. After that, at 10:30, we'll actually have a panel featuring speakers from Cisco, Affinity, and Cresta, Omar Tawakkol, Orlando Hampton, and Zaid Inam, who are going to tell us about how AI helps revenue teams build and share expertise. At 11, we'll have Alexander Wang, founder of Scale AI, telling us about how data labeling is driving the development of AI applications. And finally, at 11:30, we'll have Diane Daly, who is the founder and CEO of Predict, Align, Prevent, who will tell us about how predictive analytics can help promote child welfare. At noon, we'll have another networking event, so please join us. Got some rave reviews from people that attended yesterday, so hopefully you'll have a chance to join and meet some of your fellow attendees. So that's what we have lined up for today. Very excited for the sessions. As before, please feel free to post questions on the Slido for our speakers and moderators to answer. You can also chat about the sessions that are going on in the Slack channels that we've set up. One thing I want to mention, in exchange for the value you're receiving from this event, I know we have a lot of guests who are MIT alums who are accessing the event through your respective MIT clubs. Very glad to have you here. If you are enjoying the event, we ask that you make a donation in the amount of your choosing to the MIT COVID-19 response funds. These funds include the MIT COVID-19 Research Fund, as well as the MIT COVID-19 Emergency Fund. The COVID-19 Research Fund supports providing equipment, space, expertise, and other resources to local area hospitals and other healthcare providers. And contributions to the fund will supplement institute resources that are already being applied to these immediate medical needs. The COVID-19 Emergency Fund supports MIT faculty and researchers that are addressing various aspects of the COVID-19 pandemic, including vaccine development, portable ventilators, AI solutions, and improved protective equipment. If you'd like to make a donation, if you go to our website at the top, you'll see a link for COVID-19. There was also a link in an email that was sent out yesterday. So again, appreciate donations made to these COVID-19 research funds to help us combat COVID-19. I also wanted to give a shout out to the technical team behind the platform that we're using for this conference. The team is led by Tahir, along with his colleagues Maria, Noman, Uruba, Adil, Faraz, Masood, Maham, and Annika. This team has been doing an incredible amount of work to help us set up this platform. And so I've been delighted to see how smoothly everything has gone, and hopefully all of our viewers are experiencing the same thing. So again, thank you for Tahir and team for helping us set up this amazing platform. Last but not least, I wanted to tee up an exciting event that we have tomorrow at noon. This is AI Idol, an event that we've had in the previous conferences as well. This is going to be an AI pitch competition, something like a Shark Tank or a Beaver Tank, where we have 9 very exciting AI startups that will be pitching in front of a panel of prestigious judges. There is a special ticket that you will need to get to access this event. There was an email that went out yesterday for you to get access to this, and I think you can also get it on our website. This is a free ticket, but we just want to make sure that we can get a high density of accredited investors to have our contestants pitch to. So please consider registering for that event and seeing some of the most exciting AI startups that are coming down the line. With that, and without further ado, I wanted to let folks grab your coffee before you settle in for the 8 a.m. session, which will be D. Fox Harrell talking on the future of VR and AR and digital identities. So please enjoy day 2, and thank you again for joining us for the 2020 MIT AI Conference.